What does he run? Do you know?
He's been 1156 today.
So now you could do a smoke show for the crowd if you wanted to.
Yeah, I was thinking about that.
But I know you just bought new tires.
That doesn't matter to me, really. I buy them to use them.
Tires are cheap, but you're here for fun, right? I mean, I haven't been in a fast car on the strip in a long time. And I've never been in a fast car that has a gear like this and this kind of torque down low.
Yeah, you can see the starting line is all peeled ball.
He's telling you to go ahead.
Like that.
Mm-hmm.
I light the top one and then I clean it out.
Yep.
Valves, I'm not sure. It's one or the other.
Okay. Feels a little lean to me.
So it was 1237.
Was it?
Yeah. Which is about what I said it was going to run, right?
Yeah, you said 1240.
Yeah.
That feels fucking awesome, dude.
Like a diesel truck, right?
It does not feel at all what I would have expected it to feel like.
Yeah.
I mean, when it hits second gear, it just pulls like a freight train.
Pulls like a freight train.
It does. Wow.
He's got smoke coming out.
His right side pipe's burning oil.
Yeah. Thank you. So he went 1205, 117.90. But yeah. So 1235, 115.40. Oh, I'm gonna pick up somebody on the way back. I was gonna take her for a ride.
Well, I think I'm gonna run down the track.
Yeah?
My wife says none of these guys are wearing helmets. She wants to go.